Or if a phenotype is favorable to survival and producing offspring, the allele frequency for that phenotype will increase through natural selection after multiple generations. What are some mechanisms by which a population maintains genetic diversity despite selection pressure? So how does a population keep from just ending up with one allele, that favorable allele? Well, there's a bunch of mechanisms. They ask for 4. One is heterozygote advantage. As with sickle cell anemia, if the heterozygotes have a survival advantage, they're going to increase the genetic variation of population by carrying 2 different alleles. Diploidy. Because we are diploid, we are carrying a pool of recessive alleles that are silent but maintain genetic variation. Geographic variation. Populations in different areas may have different allele frequencies. Neutral traits. An example of a neutral trait could be something like blood type. It's not selected for, one type's not selected against, but it maintains diversity in the population. So that's 4, but there are more. Frequency-dependent selection. Recall that in frequency-dependent selection, the more common phenotype is selected against. So this favors diversity in population. Finally, outbreeding. Individuals breeding, mating with individuals outside their immediate group brings different alleles into the population. So this is actually 6 mechanisms, and you only had to state 4. So that concludes this lecture at Educator.com. Thanks for visiting.